Top 5 reasons women are using green smoothies to lose weight and boost energy. Want to feel lighter, more energized, and unstoppable in your fitness journey? Green smoothies are taking over as the go-to health hack for women. Packed with robust nutrition, they're more than just a trend, they're a lifestyle change. Let's explore why countless women swear by these creamy, healthy blends. Green smoothies make weight loss effortless. Loaded with fiber-rich fruits and vegetables, they help you feel fuller for longer and curb cravings without the guilt. Unlike diet fads, these ingredients work naturally with your body, boosting metabolism and helping you shed pounds sustainably. It's delicious simplicity at its best. Instead of restrictive diets, a green smoothie offers versatility. Whether you're rushing in the morning or craving a refreshing snack, it's quick, customizable, and keeps you on track. Every sip takes you closer to a healthier you with zero compromises on taste. Your perfect slimming partner. Say goodbye to sluggish afternoons and caffeine jitters. Green smoothies are nature's energy drink. With plenty of natural sugars from fruits and green superfoods like spinach or kale, they keep your body revitalized and your mind sharp all day long. The secret lies in the nutrients. Vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants fuel your cells efficiently. Tired of feeling drained? Start your mornings with a smoothie, and you'll notice a surge of energy that body and soul will thank you for. Who needs energy drinks when you have this vitality-packed powerhouse? Women's bodies need the right balance of nutrients to thrive. Green smoothies pack a punch, delivering vitamins A, C, K, magnesium, iron, and antioxidants in every blend. These promote skin health, increase immunity, and support your body during demanding fitness goals. Balancing a hectic lifestyle can feel overwhelming, but green smoothies make it easier. A single serving can provide more nutrition than most meals, making them perfect for busy schedules. It's a quick, nourishing solution your body will love, and it fits effortlessly into any fitness plan. Feeling bloated or weighed down? Time to detox effectively and gently. Green smoothies are a fantastic way to cleanse your system, flush out toxins, and promote better digestion. The fiber in leafy greens like kale and spinach improves gut health naturally, sans the extreme detox diets. They also fight inflammation and oxidative stress, leaving you feeling lighter and healthier with every sip. Not only will you feel the difference, but you'll also notice visible improvements in your skin, energy levels, and overall vitality. Detoxing never tasted this good. Green smoothies don't just help you slim down, they bring out your inner glow. High hydration levels and nutrients improve your skin's elasticity, reduce blemishes, and leave you radiant. Feeling good on the inside reflects on the outside, boosting confidence and positivity in every aspect of your life. Small, consistent habits like drinking green smoothies show how powerful self-care can be. Every step in your journey strengthens not just your body, but your mindset. And when you feel good about yourself, nothing's stopping you from reaching your goals and living your best life. Now's the perfect time to embrace this simple yet transformational habit. Green smoothies make weight loss manageable, overhaul energy levels, and enhance your wellness journey. Whatever your fitness goals, the answers lie not in extremes, but in these wholesome blends. So grab your blender, stock up on vibrant greens, and join the green smoothie revolution. Transform your health, enjoy their benefits, and watch as they become a cornerstone of your fitness success. Start today. Your best, most energized self awaits. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.